Hey everyone, now I am going to show you how you can use your own image and turn it into an imaginary artwork like this one. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store and you have to install Discord. Type Discord, then click on the Discord app and install it. It will take a few seconds to download, and after downloading it will come to your home screen. So when it comes to your home screen, open the app, and first of all you have to click on allow, then click on register. You can use your phone number or email. I prefer email address, so click on email icon and input your email address. Click on next, give a username of yours, then give a password and remember the password. After that, click on next. Now you have to input your date of birth. First of all, select the month, then the date, then the year. It's like opening a Facebook account, so that won't be that much hard for you. Click on create an account. After that, they will bring a reCAPTCHA for security purposes. It can be different based on your location or based on your device. Just here they are asking me to pick up some sunflowers, so I am selecting all the sunflowers and clicking on the verify button, and it will verify my account. So after that, you can choose your profile picture or you can leave it empty, you can skip it. Then you have to click on next. You have to allow everything, and now you can see the interface. The Discord is ready. There are three icons on the left. Now you have to verify your email. You have to go to the email and click on the email they sent you. Click on the verify email, and it will verify your email. It will take a few seconds to complete. Like all other apps, the process is actually same. So here you can see the email is verified. Now you can click on continue to Discord, and it will take you to the Discord app. Now the next process is you have to go to the Google or your Google Chrome and type MidJourneyAI like I typed. Then click on MidJourneyAI and you will get a website. Click on the first website. It will take you to an interface like this one. Then click on join the beta, and it will take to you a new interface. Then you have to accept the invite. So after clicking on accept invite, you have to confirm it, and it will take you to the Discord app again. Before that, you have to complete a reCAPTCHA again the same way you did. Click on the flowers, then click on verify. So successfully MidJourney is added to our Discord app. Now click on the left three icon and click on the plus icon on the left. Now we will create our own server. Click on create own server. You can see create my own. Then skip this question and just name a random word and then click on create server. So what we are doing is creating our own server. Then click on skip. So you can see on the left side under the bot icon we created our own server. So up to that we can see like the bot icon, that is actually MidJourney. So what we have to do is we have to add this MidJourney to our own server. So click on the bot icon. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see wordings like newbies 23, newbies 53, something like newbies. So click any of them and you will see people already doing the AI works. Now what you have to do, click on the people icon on the top right. Now scroll down a little bit, click on MidJourney bot. You have to click on that icon, and then you will get the option to add to server. Click on that, and now you will see the interface of select a server. So actually we are taking MidJourney bot to our server what we created. So click on select a server. Then you will get the server what you already created. Select the name and then continue, and then click on authorize. Now it will add to your server. Now click on the left three icon and you have to go to your server. Like here you can see RS. Your one may be different based on your name. So in the bottom you can see a world MidJourney bot appeared. So that means MidJourney is successfully added to our server. So before that, before making any photo edit or any changes, we have to accept terms and conditions. So first of all you have to give a slash, then you have to type imagine. So that is called prompt. So you will get a pop-up up to your keyboard, so click on that. Then just write something cloud, comma, sky or something. Then click on the send button and you will get an option like accept TOS. So we have to accept the TOS before making any changes. So our process is almost ready. Terms and conditions are also approved, so everything is ready. Now we have to add a image. So for that you have to click on the left icon, click on the plus, click on allow, and you can see like your gallery will appear here. So you can add your image. Here I am adding my image, clicking on the send button. So you will do the same process. It will take few seconds to upload. So after uploading, we have to get a share link of this image. For that you have to click on the image. So when you click on the image, you will get option and click on the three button, click on share. So after clicking share button, you can share it to WhatsApp, or you can directly copy the link. So if you share to WhatsApp or Messenger, you will get a link. So on my end, the link actually came directly, so I am just copying the link. You can copy the link by sending it to somewhere. After copying the link, click on the back button and then type slash, then type imagine, and you will get a prompt. Click on that. Now paste the link what you just copied, and after pasting you have to give a comma. Remember, these are the commands the AI will follow. So after clicking on slash, then clicking on imagine, you have to paste your link, then you have to give a comma, then you have to write the commands like cyberpunk. After writing cyberpunk, you will give a comma and a space, and then click on the neon or write neon, then give a comma and then space, then toddler. So you can be creative here. I mean, you can write different things here and the AI will follow it. But if you want a similar result as mine, then you can just copy and paste my command, but you have to add your own image link. So I will add these commands in the description, so you can just follow it, and you can see how I wrote it. So after writing the commands, you have to give a comma, then you have to add two dots, then you have to write V, then you have to give a space, and then you have to write 4. After writing that, you have to click on the send button. So again you can see it how I wrote it, and you can like copy paste it, but using your own image link. Then you can click on the send button. So after sending, you will see it's saying waiting to start. That means the MidJourney AI actually got the commands. Now it's processing the image. So depends on your networking. Actually it may take a few seconds or it can take a minute. So you can already see a result is appearing. You can see it's processing, and within a minute actually it will show a result. So now you can see that the progress are made, and it's 93%, and soon it will be 100%, and pretty easily you can download it. So here you can see it's ready, and it's ready to download. So now you can see there are 4 images, and under the images you can see different options: u1, u2, u3, u4. That means if you like any image, you can upscale it. u1 means the first image, and if you like any version of the 4, then you can click on v1, v2, v3, v4. For this image I actually like the fourth image, so I clicked u4. That means it will upscale the 4th image. That means on that single image it will take effect, and they will make a bigger version of that image. And now I am going to add more version of this photo, of the 4th photo. So now I am clicking v4. That means MidJourney AI will select the 4th photo and create more version of this photo. So here you can see the v4 actually created 4 more photos of the 4th photo, and as we clicked on u4, means upscale number 4 photo, it's taking a little bit time. Basically it takes sometimes a few minutes, depends on network, and sometimes it's just fast. So you can see like they actually created 4 more photos of the 4th photo we created at first. Now for example, you didn't like any of the 4 photos that came at first. So what you can do, you can click on the refresh icon in the middle, and it will start creating more photos of the photo you provided, and depending on your command it will create more version of the first photo. So now you can scroll down and you can see how actually it made the changes. So as you can remember, we clicked on the U4, means upscale number 4. So they upscaled the fourth image and you can see the progress. It looks really good. And as we created on refresh button, very soon they will create 4 more photos. And here you can see how we can download. Click on the image, click on the 3 dots, then click on the save button. So in my gallery you can see the image came in my gallery directly, so it won't be a hassle for you. Now I'm going to MidJourney bot again, and let's create a new command. So click on the slash button and write imagine, select on the prompt, paste your image link, then give a comma and give your commands. Like you don't want the toddler face, so you just want cyberpunk, neon, and HD or robotic. So after giving the commands, you have to give a comma and type 2 minus sign v4, then click on the send button, and you will see it will again start to process the image based on your command. And within a few minutes or within a few seconds it will give you a result. And here you can see already the result is developing, and it's processing depending on your network. It may take time, as I said, so wait patiently. And here you can see it's like pretty fast. Currently it's upgrading pretty fast, so it's like 93% right now. Soon it will be 100% and it will be ready to show. And as you can see, it's ready to show. And I actually liked the fourth version. It's really cool. You can see the robotic method actually came here, and the robotic vibe actually I'm getting here. So I like the fourth version. So I am upscaling the fourth version. I clicked on U4. U4 means upscale the fourth version. Remember that. As I clicked on U4, so the fourth version is upscaled and it's ready to save. So here you can see the result of the fourth version. You can save the image as I showed earlier. Click on the 3 dots and click on the save button, and the image will be saved on your gallery. So this is the process actually of making different images. You can be really creative here. You can try different prompts, you can try different commands. So that's all for today's video. I hope it really helps you. So feel free to like this video and subscribe for more tech related videos. I hope I will get you in the next one. Thank you. Have a good day.